Right now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can link Proxy4U with MuLogin. That's MuLogin. This is a amazing anti-detect browser that you can use and stay safe online. This is why I'm showing you how to connect them both, because having a proxy is honestly the #1 thing you should be doing if you are using any of these anti-detect browsers or Google geo scraping or geolocation, like trying to get Netflix in America when you're sat in the UK. You need a proxy. Now I'm going to dive in. I'm going to show you exactly what MuLogin is and also break down Proxy4U and then show you how to connect them together. Nice and simple. You can check the description for all links and do your own due diligence. Right up first is MuLogin. Like I said, this is an anti-detect browser, safest way to run multiple business accounts, segregated browser profiles, and fingerprints. What you want to do is you run multiple accounts, stop bans with the MuLogin. These are just some of the things you can do in it, and I've got the browser ready to go. It is honestly such a good browser. You get multiple platforms, accounts management, you get separate browser environment, browser fingerprint protection, simple browser automation, teamwork, efficient work, and professional technical support. These are some of the key features. Like I said, the link is down in the description where you can actually do your own due diligence, making sure this is what you need. But if any of these scream out to you, for example, if you're an affiliate marketer, you're in e-commerce, you have retail price comparisons, web crawler, or even social media marketing, then this is what you need. You need a browser that allows you to do multiple different accounts all in one. Right now, like I said before, you need a proxy. If you don't know what proxies is, it's basically a highly flexible that effortlessly sidesteps all geo restrictions on day one. Exactly what you need when you want to make full use of the digital world like never before. And as you can see, they've got multiple different publications scrolling through there. You simply click on and it gives you exactly what they think of it. But as I'm saying to you, it's basically something that you need to stay safe and secure. Now, proxies are, they send your computer IP address, because every computer has an IP address, hence how we can locate like your location of the PC down to a town, city, even sometimes a road name. Now, if we've got proxies, I can be over in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro, I can be in any country I want. They actually have up to 195 plus countries you can choose from. Like it says here, Sweden and USA are just a couple. Now, they do have multiple options: residential proxies, data center proxies, and also mobile proxies. They are all pay-as-you-go flexibility as well, so you don't have to pay a monthly fee and continuously paying it. You literally buy per gigabyte, for example, and then once you've used that, then you would purchase some more. And as you can see, it's trusted by travelers, leveraged by sellers, utilized by analysts, loved by SaaS brands, recommended by business owners, proven by their huge, massive, close to 5-star rating on 3 different websites. Now, what I want to do is just head on in and show you exactly both of these. We've logged into Proxy4U already, and what we want to do is head on over to the residential proxy. Okay, these are the generic settings. These will just send you and bounce you over in different country. For example, I'm in the UK, so if I were to check the UK, it's up here. I've got 24,000 IPs that I can actually I can actually be sent to in different areas, and it will keep doing that in the time frame that I want it to, whether it's 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. It is honestly down to me. But what we're going to do is we're going to target and just prove to you how it works by going to Brazil. There's 84,000 IPs across Brazil as a whole, and we're going to click on that. Now, rotation interval, this is what I was telling you about. This can be anywhere from 5 to 25. We're going to go for a nice healthy 10 minutes and then head on down and click on sticky. Okay, now once you've done that, save that configuration and then scroll down. This will be your username, password, hostname, and also port. Now, that might not make sense, but what I'm going to do is head on over to the MuLogin browser and show you exactly what I mean. Now, you can add a browser personally back or import cookies, but what I'm going to do is quick create over on Chrome Windows. Okay, so once you've done that, it will give you a lovely different section here, and then what you can do here is you want to edit your profile. As you scroll down, you will see there are proxy settings. This section here, no proxy currently at the moment, so we are not as safe as we should be. Okay, so what you want to do is come down and go to HTTP. You have a check the network section, which is really good because it will actually show you that it is working, targeting, because it will come up with the location that we are in. Obviously, we both know we're going to go for Brazil, but what we want to do is get the IP address port, login user, and login browser. So as we go down here, it does tell you here the login, password, hostname, port. So what we want to do is go for the host name, which is your IP address. Okay, so we're going to post that in there, and then we're going to go for our port. Port number is 823. So we want to go 823. Login user. So this is the username up until the colon. Don't copy the colon. Just use it just before. Okay. Now, once you've done that, copy that in there. Head back and get your password. That's from the other side of the colon up to the 8 symbol there. Copy that. And then head back and copy password. Now we're going to check that network, and if everything works like it did, Rio Grande do Sul in Brazil. IP is 177.128.77.126. Now, once you've done that, you just want to click on save. Now, as save, it's come back and you can see we are now live. And then when you want to go ahead and click on open, and it would open a new Windows Chrome page for you. Completely safe, completely secure. This is the Google Chrome. And as you click, you can see that it is Portuguese, Spanish. I'm pretty sure that's Portuguese of Brazil. But there we have it, guys. That is how you can link Proxy4U with MuLogin. Nice and easy, nice and simple. Any questions, comment down below and let me know. Also, all links are in the description. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.